Okay, to sort and filter, there's a couple different things that you need to know. First of all, where's the command? So you're going to be under the Home tab, and then all the way over here to the editing group, you have your sort and filter command. You can sort A to Z, Z to A, custom sort, and those are the three that we're going to focus on. Typically, you're probably going to do custom sort just to make sure it's sorted the way that you want. Now when you come down here, we're going to sort by last name and an A to Z order, alphabetical order. So to do that, you're going to highlight rows A7, start with the first name all the way down to the last. Notice that I highlighted the data, and let me show you why, so don't do this part. I'm going to highlight just the names. I just highlight last name because that's what I want to sort by. And I go sort and filter. I'm going to go to custom sort. And click sort. If you sort by last name, values, A to Z, watch this over here. I'm going to click OK, so just watch that. It only moves the last name. But we want it to move all this data with them, right? So to do that, I'm going to undo this. Highlight all of the data. Then go to sort and filter. Custom sort. We're going to sort by. And now it's not picking it up. Okay, so I'm glad this happened. Kind of a difficult thing. So then click cancel if it doesn't pop up. And you're going to highlight last name then all the way with all the data. Then it's going to pick up this row. Sometimes you need to, sometimes you don't. It kind of picks and chooses. So again, we're going to sort and filter. Custom sort. Sort by. Last name. Sort on values is fine. That goes with what's in the cell. And then you can A to Z, Z to A, or a custom list, but we just want A to Z. And then go ahead and click OK. And you can notice it brought up the first name with them, how much they're getting paid per week, how many hours they're getting, and how much their hourly wage is.